In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Microsoft PowerPoint presentation background images. Whether you're seasoned in presentation design or just starting out, customizing your background can significantly enhance the visual appeal of your slides, making your presentations not only more engaging, but also more memorable. Let's start by launching PowerPoint on your desktop. Once you have the application open, you can either open an existing presentation or create a new one. If you're starting fresh, this is your chance to begin adding your photos, tables, and any other content you'll need for your presentation. Think of this as a blank canvas where the right background can complement and highlight your key points. Next, head over to your slide margins and right-click. From the options that appear, select Format Background. This step is crucial as it opens up a new pane on the right side of your screen, providing a variety of customization options for your slides. In this Format Background pane, you'll see several fill options. We're interested in the Picture or Texture Fill option. Selecting this allows you to infuse your slides with images or textures, giving them a professional and personal touch. This choice enriches your presentation with a visual theme, potentially linking your slides with a unified aesthetic coherence. Now, under the Insert From section, you have a few options for where to source your images. You can choose From a File if you intend to use an image already saved on your computer. This is a great option when you have specific images that align with the theme of your presentation. Alternatively, the Clip Art option enables you to access a collection of stock photos. These can serve as a quick and effective way to insert generic backgrounds without much fuss. Alternatively, you can select Clipboard if you've already copied an image to paste. After you've selected your image, you might find it helpful to adjust the transparency. The transparency slider in the Format Background pane enables you to lighten the image, ensuring your text stands out and remains legible. This fine-tuning is essential because it dictates how much of the background will distract or complement your slide content. Finally, decide whether you want this background applied to all your slides or just the one you're currently working on. Simply click Apply to All if you're looking for consistency across your whole presentation. If it's a unique background for just one slide, you can close the Format Background pane, and your changes will apply only to the current slide. And there you have it, a streamlined process to create and apply background images in Microsoft PowerPoint. With these simple steps, you're on your way to designing visually compelling presentations that clearly convey your message and captivate your audience. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find these tips as useful as I do in crafting presentations that shine.